An enterprise asset management system is essential to manage and improve asset performance, maintain a safe place to work, and ultimately decrease total cost of ownership. MaxGrip and Ultimo together offer you an end-to-end solution. With Ultimo's flexible, cloud-based EAM software and MaxGrip's certified consultants with years of experience in implementing, using, and managing the software, you can benefit from MaxGrip's expertise as the consultants can support with their asset management skills. After selecting Ultimo, MaxGrip will support you to get the most out of your software. First, the consultants start with the functional configuration and implementation as per your requirements. MaxGrip can also efficiently scale up the project to an international, multi-site implementation. Keeping your business context in mind, the consultants work with you to deepen knowledge and enhance the use of the Ultimo EAM system. They work on adjusting processes in matching roles and responsibilities, adapting culture, and applying change management. Your team will embrace and own the new way of working as a result. MaxGrip can also deliver expertise to improve maintenance and inspection strategies and to provide a clear roadmap with intensive training and coaching. They make changes stick and enable you to achieve business goals. Choose an end-to-end solution that sets you up for success. Choose the flexible Ultimo EAM software and partner with the asset management leaders of MaxGrip.